The streets of the city are dark and cold. And they're dark, and they're cold, and there's bad guys. There's bad people walking around on the streets, and somebody's gotta do something. This city needs a hero.
Big Keith, what are you doing? I'm working on my superhero monologue. You know, there's real heroes out there that have risked everything, who have fought against tyranny and injustice. You mean that one time we got drunk and went to Taco Bell and I fought the manager because he wouldn't fix my order? Like that? No, Big Keith, I'm talking about veterans. Oh boy, this better not be a tie-in. You know, Big Keith, there's financial benefits to being
there
a
it
veteran.
is.
The Finance Geek.
I want to thank all of you that serve and protect our country. Not everyone has the chance or makes the choice to serve our country. Our veterans are those people. Some lost it all to defend the freedoms we enjoy today. Luckily, and rightfully so, there's some benefits to serving in the military. The benefits that we're talking about today are VA loans. What is so special about VA loans? Well, unlike traditional loans, this type of loan is government-backed. This means that the risk of the loan not being paid back is virtually zero because the government promises to cover it. This enables the lenders to give a lot of benefits to the borrower. Think of this like the fast pass at an amusement park. While everyone else has to wait in line or get their height checked and generally have more things to worry about, not you. You get to jump ahead to the wild ride of owning a home because of the fancy VA pass that you have. So let's talk about some of these benefits. Like when buying a home. To start, there is no down payment. This is huge. So if you don't have upfront money for a house available, as long as you qualify, you can get the loan. Speaking of qualifying, it's much easier to get the loan in general. You don't need as high credit, and there are more lenient financial requirements. Don't get me wrong, just because you're a veteran does not mean you automatically qualify for a loan. But it's much easier compared to conventional loans. Oftentimes you can get a loan cheaper. That means you don't pay PMI, private mortgage insurance. You can often get lower interest, and this can save you a lot of money over time. To summarize, these loans are great because you get more benefits and they're simpler to get. These are best thought of as VA loans used to purchase or renovate a property. A VA purchase loan, also known as a VA jumbo loan, is a standard mortgage loan for the VA. It allows buyers to purchase property for 0% down and with other benefits. Now, a VA renovation loan is where you get a VA loan to renovate a real estate property. Unfortunately, this type of loan isn't available through a lot of lenders, but can be a great option. Instead of digging latrines, dig up some fence posts instead. Now, let's talk about the two main types of refinance loans. These loans are largely used to refinance other loans or a VA loan. The VA cash out refinance is a type of loan that allows you to access 100% of the equity of the property to be used for various expenses. Normally, there are restrictions on how much equity you can actually access, so this could be a great way to get access to that value. VA interest rate refinance reduction. VA interest rate reduction refinance loan. VA interest rate reduction refinance loan. Say that 5 times fast. This type of loan allows you to reduce your monthly payment by reducing the interest rate. This can be done a lot easier, and unlike normal refinances, you often don't need to get an appraisal, which could be a bomb benefit. These loans are quite literally some of the best financial opportunities an individual can have. Hopefully they can help repay the cost of war. So not to have the bombs bursting in air, but who is actually eligible to take advantage of these benefits? So to be eligible, typically you have to be a veteran, service member, current or former National Guard, or a surviving spouse. So if you made the pew-pew noise in the uniform or married someone who did, you're eligible. And you have to meet one of the following criteria: 181 days of active service during peacetime, 90 days of active service during wartime, you serve more than 6 years in National Guard or reserves, or you're the surviving spouse of a service member who is killed or disabled in the line of duty. Once you hit at least one of these criteria, you are eligible to apply. Now keep in mind there are other traditional borrowing criteria you have to hit, such as your credit score and income. Think of this like having Blake Griffin on your pickup team. You have a bit of an advantage, but if you can't hoop at least a little bit, well, you can't fully utilize it. Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching. And remember, VA loans are proof that through the night, our flag is still there for the land of the free and the home of the brave. We'll see you next time. That's our show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following. And if you think we can assist you in any of your financial endeavors, please feel free to contact us. Our information is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.